Katie, and today I thought I'd talk you through what I'm wearing to work because you never know, a little style tip might inspire you today, tomorrow or next week. So I'm wearing to work a sparkly sequined jumper. Now you could be thinking, oh my gosh, never wear that to work. I want to explain ways that you could wear perhaps a jumper you're saving for best, or a top that's a bit more sparkly and you haven't got the confidence, ways you can dress it down. Now this jumper is quite short in the body, so what I've done is I've put them with high-waisted trousers, and high-waisted trousers are always great because they help kind of suck in your tummy, which is amazing. And also I've put a shirt underneath, and the shirt just helps lengthen the body, but it also helps disguise if you're feeling a bit tummy conscious. Now the obvious thing would be to put a white shirt underneath this, but by thinking about adding like pops of colour under a jumper, it just will make the jumper seem a touch more different, and it may push you out of your comfort zone. So if you're not one for enjoying wearing colour, you could wear a black jumper or a grey jumper, but put a coloured shirt underneath just to help increase your colour confidence. I've teamed this look, which can look a bit dressy on top, but I've teamed it with khaki trousers. Now these khaki trousers are wide leg, so they give a really nice silhouette. And you'll see the bottom of them, they've got a frayed edge, so they look a bit kind of worn out and very casual. Now khaki will always make something else that you team it with look more casual and dressed down. I've also put on my Converse here, a Converse high top, and Converse high top are also, or any Converse, again, any sneaker trainer, really good at giving more of a dressed down kind of look. Hope that's inspired you, and I'll see you again soon. Bye, have a good day.